Hello, I'm Dr. Kowalczyk. Welcome to PhysioSpace, and these are front to back leg swings. Start by standing near a wall or support for balance. Swing one leg forward, then back in a controlled motion, feeling a stretch in the hip flexors and hamstrings. Hold the swing briefly at each end. After a few swings, switch legs and repeat. This stretch is great for warming up before a run to prevent injury and may help alleviate pain in the hips. Keep swinging. Each motion prepares your hips for action and helps prevent injury.